Ako sabi
Eh,
ko ayaw ko makita yung Sunny Edwards fight. Ikaw gusto mo makita siya, tsaka Sunny
na,
Edwards.
naku, crime scene yan.
What's the role of Nonito Donaire? Kasi it looks like the relationship has gone deeper even to the point of defending Christian Araneta sa Twitterverse. That
Ah,
even to the point na sabi ko nga kay Diego ay kay Doc J, aba hindi lang humaharang, siya na mismo yung lalaban do sa
yun nga
ano
eh.
siya na, oh.
Nonito Donaire and Rachel Donaire, they've been a mentor to us. You know, lalong-lalo na sa amin, sa mga boxers namin, tinuturuan ng bagong teknolohiya dun sa Amerika. Uh, Pati si Doc J natututo din, lahat kami, pa and me, on the business side of boxing. And they're very, very, talaga, generous when it comes to sharing ideas and all that. And
Mm.
so we are very grateful. And yung ginawa ni Champ Nonito, a living legend na pinagtanggol yung isang boxer na hindi kilala dito sa Pilipinas, 'di ba? I mean, it says something about his character. He's a true patriot and he's an
Mm.
inspiration to us all. Sa mabuhay ka, kumbate, Champ.
Ako sabi
Eh,
ko ayaw ko makita yung Sunny Edwards fight. Ikaw gusto mo makita siya, tsaka Sunny
na,
Edwards.
naku, crime scene yan.
Kaya nga tanong ko kung gusto mo makita eh.
No, there's no chance. I think kahit nakababa yung kamay siguro ni Champ Nonito, tatanggapin lang yung mga suntok. I
Mm.
mean, tingnan niyo naman natin kung ano yung ginawa ni Champ Nonito past his prime, Nonito Donaire, nung first Inoue fight. Nakita niyo ba na naging ganun yung mukha ni Inoue? Nakita niyo na
Yeah.
bang tumakbo si Inoue? Nakita
Yeah.
niyo na bang natakot, nasugatan? Never. And this, a man past his prime did that. We have to appreciate what he did to the Inoue in the first fight.